Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As all of you already know, from today I am starting my series on tenses. Okay, so all of you who have been in trouble regarding tenses, who have been scratching their heads like which tense does what, when to use which tense, I mean, what is the function, how do we use, how do we form those tenses. Just calm down because I'm here to solve all your worries. Okay, so from today, like I said, we will be starting the tenses, and for today I'm starting with your present simple and your present continuous, but I will be looking at all those 12 tenses that have been a problem for you. Okay, so you cannot miss this. All right, nope. So you have to just go ahead and tell it to everyone, okay? So that I'm here to solve all those problems for you. So you better watch out. So without wasting much time, we will go to our board and look at our tenses. Let's go. Okay, hello, welcome back. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about two tenses, which is your present simple and present continuous. Now, starting with our present simple. Now, how do we form that tense? We need our subject and need our verb in the first form. When I say you need the subject, so you need either it is your I, you, we, they. Always remember, we have to conjugate these verbs whenever we are using our present simple. So always remember, I, you, we, they eat, and he, she, it eats. So we always add s. All right, and sometimes irregular verbs, you add es. So this is how you conjugate the verb. This is how you form your tense. I, you, we, they eat, and he, she, it eats. Whenever you are forming your negative with these, so then I don't eat, you don't eat, they don't eat, but he, she, it doesn't. So he doesn't eat. Okay? And when coming to our present continuous tense, we need our subject, we need our verb, and then we need ing. Like, I am eating, you, they, we are eating, and he, she, it is eating. Okay? So you need your verb to be, and then you need your verb, and then you need your ing. That is how we form our present continuous. Is it okay? So far so good? That's good. Now coming to the usage. When do we use present simple? So there are few uses here, and I have written them side by side because present continuous is a temporary action and present simple is something which is permanent. Looking at the first usage, things always true. So things that are always true, and when I say they are always true, water boils at 100 degrees. This is something which is never going to change. This is something which is always true. Okay, sun rises in the east, always true. So things that are always true, we use our present simple to talk about them. Another, now looking at the difference between present continuous, things happening now. All right, like I said, present continuous is temporary action. So the water is boiling in the pan this moment. All right, so at this moment water is boiling, but it won't keep on boiling. Okay, so temporary action, always true. Second usage, permanent situations. What I mean by permanent situations, Rob lives in Ireland. This is permanent situation. This is where he lives. But when you look at present continuous, temporary action. Rob is living in Italy for few months. That means at this moment, he is in Italy, he's living in Italy, but he'll come back to where he lives, that is Ireland. All right, so this is permanent and this is temporary. All right, with me? Next, when we have our habits, something that we regularly do. I drink tea every morning. This is a habit of mine. I always do that. All right, so one thing that you have to remember is present simple is permanent. Continuous is something which is temporary. All right, so like I said, habit, I drink tea every morning. This is my habit, and I use present simple to talk about that. And when we talk about habits in present continuous, we usually talk about annoying habits, things that annoy us, that we don't like. And that's the reason we use always with that. I am always drinking too much coffee these days. Again, something temporary, very annoying. I don't like doing this, but I'm doing it at the moment. All right. So with always, annoying habits. And the last one for today is timetable. So whenever we want to talk about things which has a schedule, all right, I can say timetable. I can also talk about schedule. Yeah, okay. So when you have your timetable or your schedules, then also you use your present simple. So match starts at 6 p.m. All right. So this is like a timetable. This is a schedule. Present simple. To talk about timetable or talk about schedules, you have your present simple. But when we talk about definite future plan, we use our present continuous. All right. So when I say definite future plan, something that you have fixed, something that you have made like an arrangement with a friend. So I am meeting John after class today. So do you see the difference? This one is like a timetable. All right, things like match starts at 6 p.m. The movie will begin, movie begins at 5. All those sorts of things which have like a timetable, all right? Schedule that always starts at this time. So then you use your present simple, but when you're making your future plan, all right, you are going to be meeting someone, then we use our present continuous. Is that okay? So these are different uses. When can we use our present simple and when can we use our present continuous? One thing that you have to remember, present simple, things that are permanent, and continuous talks about temporary actions, things that are true only for some time. All right, so you cannot, if I say I am teaching tenses at the moment, but I won't be doing this forever, right? Because I have a life. So this is what is present continuous, things that are true for sometimes that you do for some time and then you don't. I am playing tennis, but you won't play tennis for all day. Okay, and when you're going to talk about something that you always do, I play tennis every day. That is something like a habit. This is something that you do regularly. So then you will use your present simple. Okay, so I hope I have made these two tenses clear for you today. But don't forget, keep a lookout because I am bringing all the 12 tenses for you so that your life becomes easy. Yep, and that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon, spread the word, people. Thank you. See you soon.